Looking for a super easy way to clear your video background? Well, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a clean blurred effect in just a few simple steps. I'm Rakeem Madison. Let's get into the content. All right, so the tool we're gonna be using to do this is called Descript. Descript is an AI video editor that can take care of all of your video editing needs. Literally, I use this tool on a regular to edit every single one of my videos, all right? All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go right over here to this right corner where it says new project, and we're gonna click right there. Now, when you click right there, you can see it gives us a couple different options, but we wanna go right here to where it says video project. So you wanna go ahead and click on that. Okay, so now you can see it says name your creation. So I can come over here, I'm gonna just name this test just for this video. So test vid. And then you can see right here, it says upload file. It says paste the video link from YouTube or Giphy, record, write AI speech, import from Zoom, and so on, right? So since we want to do this before we put it on YouTube, what we want to do is we want to click on upload file, right? Because we already have the file that we recorded on our computer. So then I'm going to go to the file that I already prepared. It's kind of like a short clip from another one of my videos that's already on YouTube, because I didn't want to sit here in this video and waste your time going throughout an entire process for a full length video, right? I just want to show you how easy it is to be able to blur your background. All right, so I'm gonna take this clip right here, double click on this, and then what it's gonna do now is it's gonna transcribe everything that I say in that specific clip. So you see right here it says auto. I'm gonna go ahead and hit done, and you can see right here it says file optimization completed, transcribing clips and uploading clips. So as this is doing this thing, once it finishes and you see all of the text over here, then at that point we can go on to the next step. So let's just give it a few minutes and then we're gonna continue as it finishes. All right, so now it's done. So as you can see over here, we got all the text that I said, and then it also gives you a little indicator down here. So if I scroll up, usually the indicator is right here with the little green check, look like it went away. And then what I'll do is I'll bring me back down here. All right, so now we're gonna get into blurring the background. You're gonna see how simple this is. So first thing we wanna do is we wanna click on the clip itself. So you see how it highlights the purple around? So we wanna click on that. And then from here, it's already clicked for me because I use it very often, but it might not be clicked for you. So then you will wanna come up here to where it says underlord, and you wanna click on that because you see it's like this right now. But if I click on underlord, it shows all these different sections. So let me actually move me over here so I can show you everything that's here. So you can see they got the sound good section. So this is everything based around fixing certain sounds in your video, right? So edit for clarity, studio sound, remove filler words, all these different things, right? But the one we want to focus on is the look good box. So you see the look good right here, eye contact, center active speaker, and then all the way down here we see blur speaker background, right? So obviously right now it's in beta phase, but I like what I'm seeing for the beta phase. All right, so let me go ahead and click right here. All right, so now that I clicked on it, it went down to the effects section. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scroll down here, and as you can see, visual effects, and then you can see right here it says blur speaker background, and we got the circle going around. So what it's doing right now is it's about to add the blur to my background. You're gonna see how simple this is. All right, so we're gonna give it a few minutes and then we're gonna, yep, there it is right there. See, it didn't take long at all. All right, now obviously if you have a longer video, it might take or your clip, that specific part of your video, depending on how long it is. If it's the whole video to where you're like this the whole video, it might take a little bit longer, but obviously I had a shorter clip here, so it didn't take me that long. But you can see right here, it blurred my background, right? And you can actually adjust the settings as well. So if I come over here and I go to these little settings, effect settings, if I click on this, you can see right here, I can adjust it. So by default, it's at 50%, right? So now, let's say I don't really want it that blurry and I wanna go to like 40 or 45%. You can see that's how it would look with 40%. And then if I go to 30%, then now it's not really looking as blurred at that particular point, but let's say I really wanna blur it, right? I don't really want them to see nothing behind me. Now, obviously that's like OD, but like if I come down here to where it's like, it would be able to block out anything that I would want, right? So it's adjustable. It's not just, oh, boom, it's there and you can't do anything. You have the ability to be able to adjust. Now, let me go ahead and set it back to 50 real quick. All right, so I'm gonna leave it right there. And then another thing, if you wanted to remove the effect at any point, you could actually just hit remove effect and then just click this right here and boom, the effect is gone that quick, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead and hit Command Z so I can bring it back. And then now at this point, let's say that I'm done. I want that part of my video and I want to leave everything else the same or edit it how I want to edit it, right? So at this point, if I'm done, then what I want to do is I want to go up to File. I would then go up to Export. I then will come here to where it says Resolution, make sure this is on max, and then make sure this is on high. And then from there, I would go ahead and hit Export. And then once this pops up, I would name the video clip whatever I would want to name it. Specifically for me, I like to name it whatever the keyword is that I'm trying to rank for in the video. That's specifically what I name my MP4 as. And then at that point, I'll go ahead and hit enter or hit the save button. And then at that point, you would be good to go to upload it on YouTube.